Good afternoon, audio wild people. Welcome back to another YouTube short. I got a request from Kyle Maistry just to show him where the audio cable or the power cable for the amp runs through the firewall. He wants to install some sound. Thank you, Kyle, for leaving a comment. Appreciate the support, dude. Let me show you where you go. My power cable's this one over here, right over there. Then she runs down all the way. Here's my fuse. And then if you can see, there is a hole in the firewall right behind this shock tower. So Carl, if you check out this shock tower right here, in the back there is the hole in the firewall. So that's pretty much where your wiring harness runs through. That's the easiest way to get to the back frame. You tuck it along there, run it through at the back, and that's how you run your power cable for some sick sound. Thank you guys for supporting. Stay tuned for some more videos.